Brick was lost at sea about a year ago. Thought he saw a bird and he swam out to pet it. He never came back.
We all loved Brick, even though he never had a phone number or address or social security number. In 6 years of working at the station, he never cashed a paycheck.
Sweet Brick.
He was a sensitive man, though. He told me he wanted to donate his organs to science before he died, so he could see where they ended up.
No.
He'll long be remembered, and he'll be sorely missed.
Thank you, Reverend.
No.
Oh, come on!
Brick was a great man.
Really?
And I will miss him so much. And I will not rest until I find his killer.
What?
His killer?
It's hard for me to believe that he is gone.
He's not gone.
I feel that I just saw him yesterday.
Are you probably talking to yourself in a mirror?
When I got the news, I didn't know how to make sense out of it.
None of us understand.
Why did you take it from us? You're clearly standing in front of us, Brick. God damn you! Brick? Brick is dead!
No, Brick's alive.
Brick is dead! Look at him!
He's not
He's
dead.
not dead, Brick. You're not dead.
You're Brick!
Brick, it's you.
He's dead!
No.
You are Brick. Touch yourself. I am Brick!
Yes.
I'm alive!
Yes.
Of course you are.
It's-
Oh, for heaven's
You kind of want to slug us. You want to slug him.
Do you remember our Easter trip to San Francisco? We got so drunk we put Brick in a refrigerator box and threw him off the Golden Gate Bridge.
I broke my back. Yes. What about the time that you dared Cham to drink that beer stein full of woolite?
He drained it faster than you could say, no, don't do it. That's the equivalent of drinking poison.
Oh, Lord. I was in a 6-month coma. They say from the neurological damage, there's no way I live past 55.
You got 3 years left, my friend.
You're gonna die! Hey, remember? I was by myself and I had that dream about the orange tree, but instead of oranges, it had babies on it. And it's a baby tree.
But, Brick, how could we remember? It's your dream.
It's all the same thing.
I mean, it's an interesting dream, but...
Or how about the time when I was born and I came out of the vagina and I was screaming, "Here I come! Ooh, here I come, Mom!"
How could we, Brick? We weren't there. We're telling stories involving the entire news team from the past.
I can't, don't let me run.
Put a pencil in his mouth.
It's okay. There you go.
Okay now.
Man, this just feels right. The news team is back.
Ron, Brian, Brick, me, even Baxter.
That old man is so little and hairy.
Hey, Ron, who's driving?
Oh, it's okay. It's on cruise control. Who wants some chimichangas? Huh? Best thing I ever did was install this deep fryer in the Bago.
Ron, why do you have this bag of bowling balls in this terrarium filled with scorpions?
It's a long, crazy story.
Hey, Ron, cruise control just regulates speed. It doesn't steer.
Come again?
Muskrat, muskrat, candlelight, doing the town and it's pretty pleasing. Muskrat Susie, muskrat Sam, the jitterbug. Sam is so skinny. And he tango, singing and jinging the jangle. Float through.
That is gonna make one hell of a story.